In order to facilitate your roommate transition, there are several things that need to happen to make this process smooth and seamless for you. First, all roommates must agree to who's coming in and who's going off of the lease. Second, please fill out the roommate transition form. This can be found on our website. Once you do this, this will notify us as to which roommates we should be looking for in the screening process. All incoming tenants will need to pass our standard screening criteria. This information can be found at applyaccolade.com. If a new roommate is coming in and an additional co-signer is required, the co-signer can also go to applyaccolade.com. In order for us to facilitate the roommate transition, your account must be in good standing. This would include all rent being paid in full, having a zero account balance, and also making sure that any lease violations are corrected prior to us being able to complete this process. Rent continues to be due in full on the first of each month. If your roommate transition process is being completed in the middle of the month, please remember that rent must be paid in full on the first. Any rent prorates would be up for the roommates to decide how that's going to be handled. You are responsible for rent, utilities, landscaping, or snow removal during the time that we're looking to find a new tenant for you. If you're going to be outside the area and need help finding a vendor to maintain the exterior items for you, please let us know and we will put you in touch with the best vendor for your situation. If you are an outgoing tenant, please remember that you are forfeiting your right to the security deposit. If you're an incoming tenant, remember that you are taking responsibility for the condition of the home based on the move-in condition report that was completed prior to you coming on. Therefore, if you're concerned about damages that you may be held responsible for, please make sure to work out any financial obligations with any outgoing tenants prior to this process being done. This is all handled outside the Accolade office. You will be responsible for a lease break fee. You can refer to your lease agreement for these terms and conditions. This will need to be paid prior to the lease agreement being executed by all parties. Our goal is to make this smooth and efficient for you during this time of transition.